All those people asking me, where is Ogechi, where is Ogechi? This is where I am. Ogechi is not with me. Ewadara. Abramu ji Ogechi. Akaji aka Jpac. This is not matter of Jpac, Chief of Staff. Ewadara. Oh, where basara Jpac? Riyane. Kamana mata. That's now. Before any other thing I name, before any other thing I name, for those of you now like it, I say you're not ashamed of yourself. You're not ashamed of yourself. You go to do something with a woman. How can I get advice now? But anybody good in advice. Anybody good in advice. I feel maybe no one is na custody. Madam Bonya na parege sige biake test ya nyash. I am now ready for the nyash test. Yes, if you ask me, I'm now ready for the nyash test. At least, if not for anything, Ejego Deputy Ebono, and she must. I will provide the video Ogechi made about me that now. No one AJ. Mem test open ambu homo na so open ambu homo as she claim that I'm going to damages. Then I'm going to test open ambu homo no ego open am gware kwom no one o ga akume. So I am now ready. Yes, you know, too much talk not the good. Too much talk ada dem ma. Before I make a peace, before any peace talk, 3 things can need it, for those of but you insulted her too. Let me block you. Get out from my page. Insulted who? Come on, get lost from my page. Is 3 things can make before you wear peace and wear peace talk. Number 1, bo Ogechi ya potaram doctor Kita na friend I 1-on-1. At least get out on underground cell. Let me block this idiot. Okay. 3 things God gave me my natural peace. Number 1. Okay. IPAB is waiting for you. God punish you. Did you hear me say talk about IPAB? Did you hear me? Did you see me call IPAB? Did you hear me call IPAB on my video when I was doing my utterance? Did you hear me call IPAB? Does that voice look like the voice of Jpac? Okay, na koiri. If Ronyo zo kuruoku, but IPAB after na nafa. You are very stupid. Do your worst. They don't have a Jpac there. I've had you now. I will call now. I'm on live now. I don't want to be distracted. Please, I will call. Or better still, send me text message. I don't like make live video to already distracting. I will call, intelligent call, I will call him, but I'm doing live now. If I call her, this thing will distract.
Who is calling? Who do you want to call? Why do you want to call?
Huh?
Why do you want to call?
No, don't put your face, don't.
I'm not. Why do you want to call me?
Well, I don't want to be distracted. Anybody will go say anything, make you say now. Number 1, 2, 3 things I get, man. And wear peace. I don't have problem with anybody. Number 1, I got water your doctor. For my own side, you, because the truth of the matter, I can't joke federal Interpol. Federal Interpol. This is beyond no call. I wanna call anyone. This is beyond call. This is federal Interpol. The people that have been looking for Ogechi for 5 years ago. And onye kpọtara Ogechi ka ọ bịa Nnewi betrayed Ogechi by calling Ogechi to come to Nnewi, forgetting that no one in there will eat for 5 years. Ogechi said about Nnewi. Those people, they are watching their program. Because in Bible on 13, how I played all the video need all the video need and they made a program. In a man with a problem with somebody, gauge name a live video. I will call later. In with a problem with somebody, gauge name a live video. Now abandon the world if nothing they happen. It's a phone in Nigeria. Nigeria no be Chicago. Nigeria can never be Chicago. To me, I don't have problem. I don't have problem at all. But if I don't have problem, what of the federal Interpol? So don't be me when I go the call. See Jpac, Can I very peace over? Can I very peace with anybody? Or do you want me to put myself into trouble? If Yoba is there, the family of Yoba is there. So how will you make peace with everybody? If you make peace with Jpac, what about the family of Yoba? What about the Interpol? Naturally, the people Ogechi know with betrayed Ogechi, for bloggers to copy this very well, because I'm not going to delete it. They had Ogechi no betrayed Ogechi Amaro. Manon de Hana de Jaco Kareti. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Ogechi Amara. This is my problem with her. She's my sister, and I cannot deny her not my sister, but all across the boundary. Somebody in your midst brought out Ogechi glow number. Where they betray Ogechi. Onye went to the glow number Ogechi. Nothing like Interpol. Don't worry. Ibi Abuja Monday. Begwana. Ibi Akawara what? Nothing like Interpol. No, Ibi Abuja na Monday. Ibi an office federal Interpol. Begwana. There's nothing like Interpol. Do I have to? I did not mention IPAB for crying out loud. Go and watch that video and rewatch it again. Did you hear me? Did I mention anything called IPAB? Do you people just for a video somebody posted? And did I posted video? I did not post video. I was only calling that boy. I was cautioning that boy that now you that I know Bonyo Zoboro in a Bishop Ozobonazo can descend yourself so low. You follow in a married woman. Track or buru a married woman his way na bura here ni muno. A very shameful thing. That is what I'm correcting that boy. If I had anybody calling IPAB, I did not know. Now everybody now attack him, now attack Jpac, IPAB. You two talk. Come on, get out. Let me block it. Come on, get out from my side. God punish you. If you don't want to be on my live video, get out. Get lost. And I say you two talk. A small boy from Ozoboro name Onyi. He had that boy. Somebody who claimed to be my friend. I don't know this guy, but a brain behind ihe name Ogechi. Attract gidegi. Or each other onye gine ga akpọ na akpọ daybreak a fro. Ọ bụrụ Ogechi gine na bụ sogide bar room. Lodge ya in. Akwa aka n'ụzọ isi na why pụta with ahụ efere. N'ime gị na nwaanyị. A married woman ji ụmụ na abụ. Batara akwamozu. Ịchọcha ebe ihe eje ọ bụrụ gị na nwaanyị nọ na room, a married woman. Shame on so many people. Ndị na-eje ụka. Small day, but there's not Jpac, Jpac, come, let us test your nyash. Man, he did a Jerahu with over 130 years. A single boy, he went and sleep. Now, get an abon, only a room. From nights, car track, he did a batana room. Nele the call the hen can be good. Haba. I will call back. I'm doing live video. I will call back. Once I'm done with the live video, I will call back. Oh. Now, once after I'm married by the live videos, hey, bro, call. Come finish your live video. Come watch your Come finish your live video. Come watch your oh. Nanda not me because you guys should wait, please. I didn't disappointed neighbor that guy in Onyi from Osobolo. I was shocked. Guess he wanted this guy na CCTV. 30 years. Wanted this boy na CCTV. Oh where ya na Ogechi koraka na onu. Ngagide amara na CCTV na monitor. Fear Interpol. This is Nigeria, not be America. Nigeria want to work, they will work. And so this boy will so video. Okay, for actually betray you, so anybody that want to betray you, go follow you, sleep for one room, make sure, say that second and they show them. Who disclose Ogechi glow number? Now what's not going to ask on yourself? Ogechi, you brought this upon yourself. You just you don't know that the boy betrayed you. Wote glow number ke we glow number ga track tagi wote gi n'ime room am pay door wote ga bi ya we fere with one married woman na hotel and your husband is there. Tomorrow somebody will come up and say Jpac Charles ya nyash. Hey, what on problem? 3 things I demanded. Number 1, this video I got be kawaram the reason I got be kawaram I got be kawaram mwa bu Jpac. Ihe mere eji we na declare am ka kidnap am. I got be kawaram ihe mere eji we post o se bia kidnap am. And I know it now. And I know it now. Jpac should be the one kidnapped. Until I dare them undertaking, I am not backing down. Yes. I want to let everybody know. Until on my own side, though, I'm not talking about late Senator Fayoba, and I'm not talking about other people. My own side. Until this video, I cover the meaning of Jpac should be kidnapped. That is the reason why I'm not sleeping in my house again. Because Oisidendo, Oisiporanko Norage Bue, Megene, Noro, Manamadi, Norage Bue, take a cover. Ever since Ogechi made this post that Jpac should be kidnapped, I've been receiving a lot of calls and threats. I'm just doing this video now to let the whole world know that my life is in danger. My life, I am raising an alarm that my life is in danger. Ever since Ogechi made these utterances. For those of you that say, why do you go and arrest a woman? This is just the beginning. Until anybody just show face for release of Ogechi without proper anything. Onya ga-eji si eba onya apotakwa ebe aba na oboro mwa because onya cross o gate na chetakwa azu ebe aba na oboro mwa Jpac. This video that I should be kidnapped, I have been receiving calls upon calls upon calls threatening me. Some people are calling me na mbia wete ego na obara me wete ego na ha agbagbu ụfọdụ na agba na phone na ha ga-eme ihe na Jpac mere wedding na mechara wedding na no some akpa. Lie, it's not lie. Let me block you. Get out of my page. You idiots. Come on, get out. Anomano. Lie, buogi there. So, I don't have problem with anybody. I don't have problem. 3 things can demand it. Cho. Oh yeah, get out. Dude, you never see anything. By the time I end on 1 week, 7 days, you are quite more than never come back. Back here, I'm on the Okua the Arigo. By end on 7 days, that about day 2. That day 2, men on 7 days. I'll put a bit of back here, man, Omo. But I don't tie jelly. So, in our chop piece. Eziokwu came to me, same catch up. He said, no problem. I don't have any problem. But in our chop piece, even my life is in danger. In our chop piece, even somebody says, "Chobam cake kidnap home." And the video is here. Let me replay it again. Make it double and say now, and they talk too much. Oh, Kezi. Let me. Kezi, better send this. Bam. Pause. I will be replaying this live video. I'll be replaying this live video. Jpac should be kidnapped in our chop piece. And somebody Kuruokua, you want me to sweep it under the carpet? Oh no, chai Jpac on your bioma. Hey, yeah, Jpac here the Hey, yeah, chai Jpac in my family. We have my wife and I talk sugar. Happy wedding now. I will call back, please. Are they live video? And on live. But my own live video. But chief of staff. But I get that request here. Anybody that want to request for live video should request. So yen na job Jpac eri anwanwu. O when you were saying na when you say na me ka ndi ogonogo ndu. Mo ka ha be nwanwu. Mo ka we I believe in reality. So mmadụ ọbụla bịara threat na ọ na-oge egbu m nweta onye ahụ ya bụ ịkọwara m the reason why o ji kwuo si kidnap ọ Jpac. So if there will be peace, this statement must be corrected on live broadcast. This statement, Jpac should be kidnapped. Unu ga-eme correction for my own side though. Karis na Jpac nwere obi ọjọọ. A ga-akpọtara m doctor. Adịgo m ready. A ga-akpọtara m doctor. Ogechi abịa eje lab test. Ma na-arara m n'ike. Ọ bụ na ara ha m n'ike ego ọbụla m gwara Ogechi ya kwụọ m ọ ya akwụ mee. 3. Ị ga-abịa kọwaa ebe Ifeanyi Uba ji use Jpac. So I don't have any problem. Imesi ife dị na done. Ị pụta na mee video. Kwuo na ihe ndị i kwuru na ikwuzikwa ha. He meant there the video. Then after my own, he just settled law with Ifeanyi Uba family. Settled law with Ndejigi na Abuja na Achọgụ for 5 years. And what a problem. So I'm a human being. I have wife. I have family. I have in-laws. I have relatives. I have relations. So this thing now, I have already told my family members. They have this video where Ogechi is sending my pictures, sending voice notes for me to be kidnapped. Chiedu Dimba Asabates. God punish your family. Your own is too much. Come on, get out. Let me block the hell out of you. I know now. If you like, then 300 comments ever. That day 2. I'm not underground. That beginning day 2. I'm not underground. Karisia. Why you come back? Don't forget that I'm here. Don't hear many. Billionaire without contacts. You don't have any billionaires. They block you. Get out. Don't forget that I'm here. After defaming your fellow man, after threatening your fellow man to bind your fellow man, after threatening to bind your fellow man, if then I say come back home, only here many. Don't forget that I'm here. Karisa. Why you wanna push him. Pagide why you mad go see in America? They won't May happy New Year and a happy Christmas with the family. Uno pagide. Kwabata Nigeria. Under 2 hours. Under 24 hours on the Bata Nigeria, but Newi. Piam Epikire because she did not come back through airport. She did not come back through airport. Obuno si Abuja, but I am within Abuja. Usi Lagos, but airport, but I am within at Lagos airport. Uno pare. Kwabata Nigeria. Sonyo Yokunuzo. Nya, Kwagida Mother, Kwabata Nozo. Sonyo na here Okunuzo. Una wicked, I swear. Una very, very wicked. I got a one unu push you. Nkebe Ezugo. Jamak where name a live video. Hey, where are those idiots? I'm in town now. They cannot be able to do anything. My traditional work here, I got a full at 50. Traditional work here, they want that a man that cannot visit his family members, a man who cannot be able to go to his house and enjoy his house all around. Coastal Lagos, Garita Lagos, Nari to Odinburgh, be here now, Coral Beach, na Jpac, this shows that what after this and what happened? After this, what happened? Remember the call? As soon as I call. Remember call now? I don't dare never call. I call a slide at the call. I call a slide at the call. Remember the call now? emecha call you onye ihe a ekwuru ya eme nwere ebe ọ na-apụta peace ya dị mana a ga-follow that peace in due process. You can't just say hey, let her go for what? For ebe ka emere even if I agree, what of others? But how many petitions? More than 29 petitions this year for you. If Jpac agree, what happened to 25 petition others? 29 petitions in one person's head, and still counting. Many my lawyers, man, people they defend their family members, people they defend their wife, people they defend their husband. They are bringing petition. 29 petitions in one person's head. If Jpac lets go, what about 28 people? Jpac, can I make peace? Can I make, oh, fine and good. What about 28 people out of 29? So, it was emotional blackmail. Can blackmail or Jpac badge of money. Unu para wanya mari kwa bata Nigeria, where you know that wanya with court cases, only the case in ECOWAS. Now today can announce for the first time. When the Interpol people come, about an office order, and when they put the file case, or wherever no you nasu kaya hapo, when the ECOWAS case. So the point here, guy, no show your face now. Eba ni me bompai zone 1 nakano. Man over more. You have to comment that thing with your face. In a different account that comment. Now zone 1 na kiye want to work at Kano State zone 1. When you want 29 petition pending. Even if I agree, maybe that I would have godly mind, which I have. Other people petition the kaja. And they within as on 13, and they within Abuja. Even people now be about ogo, they confuse. People are not about ogo, they confuse. Onya phone, I want to release the car, Boja release here. I wear court cases also. Now today I see this one for the first time. Look, I bring this one. Now today, I see this one for the first time. On Interpol web this one. Mbade go see Oga. Everybody has joy. Today come from for the first time. Special Police Gazette Bulletin. Now today they see this one. First Directive CID number 48 refers to this bulletin and giving details of reward for the whereabouts of this person, issued by the authority of the Inspector General of Police. Wanted. No, you neje as a Jpac bagara. Police and Interpol show me this one. Interpol. So even if I back down, what about Federal Interpol that didn't show this one? Never. If cut this never. This one on a Federal High Court. And it's not jump pro. They said, let me block Onya. You have okay. Never. If I back down, oh Kede also confidential for police use only. Special Police Gazette. Special Police Gazette Bulletin. Also, Ogechi Njaka M, wanted by the Office of the Assistant Inspector General of Police, Interpol Head, National Central Bureau, Abuja, Force Criminal Investigation Department, FCID, Force Headquarter. So what did they tell me? Jpac and Kaime Peace. I don't know if you saw this Abuja, we put this in Shoga. All the people who need on a phone, everybody was on a phone again. Also, like Jesus Christ on a phone. Onya no office yoga, pata na Abuja to answer issue way. So you also get more Jesus Christ. Osinenu Barata. Onya we face that Interpol. When you see the Interpol. Don't be me. Did you see my name there? I didn't arrest Ogechi. If my family did, no problem. I know how my call him arrest him. My own petition they were there before the arrest of Ogechi. My own petition, I did go to Abuja waiting. Though, do you think no? Okay, if you're a Jpac an illiterate, that I'm a fool, that I'm a man of school, Abi, that I don't know what is right and wrong, immediately declare ka ewudem can make the petition. It shall make go see the date of my petition or the EBA. So I cannot know that actually boom where a picture of tea everywhere. Say Jpac, see with the Jpac, say okay, Jpac should be kidnapped. Let me replay it again. In case maybe you are just joining for the first time. Oh, I want cable to listen to that. And I feel now. I am ready for the test. Jpac, if you go see I need take can make a test. I am ready. Bring your daughter. Thank God. Say, God, I thank you. At least I can set my eyes on Ogechi. Now, okay, what did I the proof? Ebe us never invite use with them. Why? Okay, provide the proof. Why? Provide ya hotelem us na aragam need here. Two. What about the doctor? I'm gonna test yam over na Jpac bụ homo. I will replace Ogechi as prison. Test ya Jpac. Ọ bụ na onwego ka aka nkịtị si wee rụnye m n'ike ya aka like this. Test ya bụ na onwego ka aka si rụnye m n'ike. I will replace. Let the court refresh that case. Ka m replace Ogechi ebe ọ bụ na ọ nọ. Mana ọ bụ na onwego ka aka si wee rụnye m n'ike. Ogechi ya akwụ m ihe ọ bụla m gwara ya kwụọ m n'ụwa. I can't leave this thing just like that. Ọ bụ na test ya mụọ bụ Jpac. Ọ bụ na finger nwa amụrụ ọfụ arụ ego m n'ike before. Woman n'ike woko. Let me replace Ogechi n'ọnọdụ ọnọ today. Mana ọ bụ na ahụbeghị ka aka mmadụ si wee rụnye m n'ike before. Ogechi ga-ekwu m ego ọnọbụla m gwara ya kwụọ m and ọ ga-eme. So onye ọbụla na-abịa akpọ na phone Jpac ka eme peace. Have this at the back of your mind. And eme peace ebe onye m na ya na-abụghị eje ụlọ ọgwụ mee test nọ. Jpac will be arrested in future. Go and write it down. Or tag and arrest. This is my third time. Let me go my arrest. I think you are here on social media. Let me go my arrest. Potato. Let me arrest today. I'm man for 24 hours. Let me go my arrest today. Potato. And what am I go? Man, Chineke the anyway. So unless here no like it, then We just share. Oh, yes, also stop saying you replace Ogechi. I know what I'm saying to tell you the gravity of what I'm saying. Somebody said, bring me in. But I can't see you now. All the people I'm trying to bring in. On a decline. They are declining. Now, on how do you go my candy before? Ebob and no. See for that, which yeah. Yeah, good day, brother. What's up?
Double Jpac.
Where come on there?
Oh, Papa Jima.
Okay.
Nanya. Yes. Ebe mu achọgoro ichipe in bụ na ife issue of IPOB and Governor Eziokwu.
Okay.
No, that is the main issue. Ogechi is not our problem. Ogechi need to spend all her life in prison. That one for sure. I want to clear the air about Governor Eziokwu issue.
Okay.
I have explained to Biafrans that have sense because Obro Nyobana Koro Nyanwa Biafran with sense. And when they might when they marry, you know, Governor Eziokwu Dalado, and which he came back immediately and apologized to IPOB family. And when we are talking about IPOB family, we have our leader, we have the DOS, which is Chike Dozie is the head of the DOS. We have our secretary of publicity, Imapo Wafu. And we have an IPO, which that came out to fight Governor Eziokwu or to condemn Governor Eziokwu. We all know that that he was trying to make sure that no Ogechi got arrested. Are you getting me? Now I want to tell you people something here. If all these people that are commenting that IPOB are coming for that IPOB are coming for you and Governor Eziokwu, all these people are not IPOB. All these people are just members. There is another group of autopilot. They are not an IPOB. So IPOB have not responded to you and Governor Eziokwu. And the IPOB don't kill our fellow Biafras. It no matter the mistake. It no matter the way you insulted IPOB. We don't kill. Because you imagine that we can't get Biafra by killing our own. So only that IPOB are coming for you people. Know that that person is not an IPOB, a terrorist. Are you getting me? Yes. Anybody threatening people in the name of IPOB, that person is nothing but a terrorist. IPOB don't kill. A lot of Biafrans are Maliko, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. A lot don't believe in Biafran struggle. Nobody have killed them. Our leaders are there moving up and down. Nobody have killed them. So anybody that is coming out here, anybody coming out here, you and Governor Eziokwu in the name of IPOB, have it in mind it's not IPOB. IPOB don't kill.
Okay.
And when pilot and Zion members, so they should take IPOB out of their
Babejima.
Yeah.
Please, there's one thing I want you to do here. I don't want to mention anybody. As you can see me, I've never mentioned anybody's name. I've never mentioned any church name. I've never mentioned any denomination name. Please, let it not be that you are saying all this, I think I never enjoy by mentioning church name.
No, everything is coming from my mouth. Did anybody
platform?
And I'm both.
Platform.
Okay, no problem. So all these people you see threatening you guys in the name of IPOB are not IPOB members. Our friend named Mapo Wafo haven't issued any statement. IPOB media team haven't issued. Fear nobody.
Oh, okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. All right. Okay. Wait, I'm not moving. But
Jpac.
Hello?
Jpac.
Yeah, thank you very much. What you are saying here right now is the issue of Emeka peace, never peace. Yes, peace is good. Ime peace amaka. Mana anaghị anọ n'ime ime ụlọ anyụrụ nsị na-eri nri. Before you eat food n'ime ụlọ anyụrụ nsị, you have to clear the floor, clear the place, the helmets. My image is at stake. I don't sleep in my house again because of threats. Na Jpac, say one Jpac, but here, do you understand? I don't think they ever. Let me replay it again. Say one Jpac kidnap. Just listen again.
And the many people are saying that we are jealous in Jpac because we're making too much money. Jpac now makes too much money. So, anyone in Jpac got a rule. Jpac should be kidnapped. Time around because
Yeah.
If this particular video
hearing
play
you. Go
now,
on now. Huh?
this particular video play now, also
Yes.
you should be kidnapped.
So I can't allow you to wave under the carpet.
Also you should be kidnapped. I want you to get the full video.
No,
I want you to get the full video.
Or delete here na page. If this video could have before they delete here, this is the one we could be able to capture.
I kill him the video live. She was very specific. The people she wanted to kidnap you. That she want to kidnap you. She said that unknown gunmen should kidnap Jpac. She was very specific and emphatic about her statements. But it's quite unfortunate now some can capture, which is still okay. I
can give you my number. This one, the full video. You can still give me. Let's send this first headquarter. This is what they said is a criminal case. So for somebody telling someone to come and kidnap me, you should come and
which is normal the kidnappers now on the kidnappers on the instructor.
So give me this number, and since that I've been receiving many calls. So I took undertaking. Sign another undertaking. Jpac no do this. Yes, no problem. I got signed another undertaking. My life is in danger. So until if not then, this is what the court. Right? Let's go to court. So they need to see a piece. I don't care who will record it, but I'm saying the truth. I see me a piece, but I need, what do I say? I need undertaking. Made him undertaking. Only him made him know why. I can forgive you of calling me a homo. I can forgive you of any other thing you said. Maybe I can say that is out of anger. I can forgive you in any other thing you say. But if for Jpac should be kidnapped, I can never forgive. That Jpac should be kidnapped, I can never forgive. That is my statement. Unless they follow everything in due process. Now, because all we are make calling no wa no aka no bụrụ ezigbo aka ji ebe na ọka apụtago now no bụrụ ezigbo aka strong hand ji by now even that day when come self even and what am I even saying from that day I better even the arrest people don't come out since that time that immediately because I know there call now I gave me arrest I say again Interpol in your order case na arrest also quite president of Federal Republic of Nigeria when I'm able to Abuja you must come Abuja then when they give us Abuja after 2 days stay undertaken. Rest, Joe. What about the one you talk? Oh, what about the one I talk? Let me block you. Did I threaten anybody? This is a threat of life. Did I mention that the nigga? Yeah, I'm talking about my life. I just married a new wife, so allow me to enjoy my wife. You know? Yes, I can be. I get a word, right? With condition. Can forgive about, but if you're a threat of life, Jpac on the east, Jpac the MC, Jpac should be kidnapped. So, give us the Miss America, but Nigeria, Garia freely, without being taught. But Jpac the my ABA, Jpac is in back at Kawarum, even Merero or MC. On they seek for head. On they seek for head. Whosoever that support evil, evil will come to you. Whosoever that support good thing will come to you. This is 2025. If you support evil, your family. If you support good, good will follow your family. That is the way out. Jpac, you are a gay. Wow, with fake accounts. Emana Ejebaga, Apuronya Waro, and then in the zone as a boss. On a phone, Oyana, Boke Affair. Let me remember. Ijuwa, upon how the thing is getting hotter. When a mind and God cover the picture, made the nonsense. Who most here, who here, gay say again, I say here. Who are your own is that your own, I want to go up Ijuwa. And we get for 1 month. Talking is very cheap. But if you want to talk, make sure you want upper hand. Ijuwa, when even the case is still on. I want to go be Ijuwa. I want to your own be very simple. Very, very simple. Maybe in the Lagos, maybe in no. I want to here at 1 month. 1 good month. If I'm no. So I draw. Jpac should be kidnapped this time around. Au revoir. I'm quiet on the phone again. Ijuwa Jera Hora. I'm sorry. Was it? Oh, I don't know why they forget her name because. Eziokwu. Eziokwu go and sleep. Oh, not Hiora. Because I believe in no one can man plot to kidnap you back. So losing my own time. My own time, and that's the Jpac. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Jpac, let it go. I ain't happy weebo. I ain't happy weebo. Let it go. Yes, I will let it go. My nigga, dere magana abo. Eye biaka. undertaking is needed. Undertaking is needed. If not, okay, you get really no Jupiter. If you don't want to do video, you made a video of apology on my own side. Then I'm gonna I beg, I need the full video. Able that day unknown government should kidnap me. This is the little one I can be able to copy. I need the full video. Can send the remaining one. One bottle of VSOP for you. I will go. I integrity. Ofunwa the angel. Now you are watching me live direct. Don't ever go out to Ofunwa. Ofunwa the angel. This year, 2024. Ofunwa the angel, you are watching me. Do not live a life of betrayal. If na WhatsApp onya, ikwu aja okwu. Eto no na WhatsApp onya kwu ezigbo okwu. Ofunwa the angel na ere mmanya na Abuja. Do not live a life of betrayal. Any movement in a make, any movement in a make. Every non Abuja, every in Abuja, every in Abuja, every name in Abuja. Do not live a life of betrayal. I had your statement. Nesna the case here one Abuja. Now the case here Abugo is a done deal. No go deal. Station in Abuja. If I set my eyes on you, I station in Abuja, Ofunwa, you must go in. I will point you. No, give us so. If you kill money, my friend, if you were number of the WhatsApp or me, your hey, Jpac, because they're the Kaya Meya, and a very good guy, because their neighbor is put them money. Powerful. She's a very this and this. A wave royal car. Even on my WhatsApp, a copy the contact. He did a WhatsApp on you also to the image, boy image need then a WhatsApp on you also poor and boom, poor in if you want to try me, let me see you anywhere across police station in Abuja. I'm just giving you a second. If I set my eyes on you, about that station in Abuja, bam. Also, around the corner, back here, mana. Capital B, not the hill. Ibana Konya, Ikuaku Ojo, Ibana Konya, Ikuonka. Ibana Konya, Ikuonka. Ibana Konya, Ikuonka. Very cunning human being. Ibana Kabe Yom na WhatsApp. Jpac the high, Jpac is a very good guy. If you get to a powerful, he goes suffer. You never know anything. Abuja, Nigeria, Chicago. Niger, Chicago. Clothed mouth. He doesn't WhatsApp or no. The man on your send here WhatsApp on home. Click. The next knows goes, but I'm able to the general corner where a Jpac will be idiot. Now I will case a Jabuja. Na Jpac will have himself to blame. Count for good force headquarters, Abuja. Make I see you for FCID. Only hand the camera point. Oga, you are gone. No try come there. All those you're ranting, be ranting it on Facebook. Also, hand the camera point. Oga, this person photo. That is end of it. So he marked his acquisition from WhatsApp to WhatsApp. He just acquisition the Korea. He just Korea. Even come embrace money. Everything with everything about everything. Can't forget now. Force headquarters. Ofunwa. I'm talking to Ofunwa Angel. There's a guy. Now watch now. He doesn't want to comment. Okay, up we go. maybe up go. Let me see you. Just name with a mother in Abuja. I'm for a first. No, make I see you. To know case I have case in the Igbo. That case in the house. Make I see you there. I block you. Come on, get out of my page. I know. Momo, you go soon cry. Cry for where? With the fake accounts. Come on, go sit down. I know, Pama. Jpac told me 2025. You told me what? Yeah, time made me show. Made my show, Peter. You told me.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. Like, comment. Thank you for watching. Please stay connected on this channel. More videos, more interesting videos will be dropping on this channel. Thank you and God bless you for watching. Subscribe.